John Fedro with mobilehomeinvesting.net. And if you think you know the size of mobile homes, you might be surprised. Take a look at this. This is a 14 by 70 Melody. You can see that. That's what we were looking for. What service is this? 100 amp. Okay. Interesting. All right. So let's go out and take a look and let's measure this mobile home because the data plate says 14 by 70. Let's double check this thing. Start at the end. Aha. All right, 66 feet. And I am at the end of this mobile home. That's because mobile homes have something known as a box size. That is the actual size of the mobile home itself. Now, when it says 14 by 70 on the data plate, oftentimes that's referring to the tongue as well. This is a 66-foot home. It's a little bit of a dealer manufacturer trick. It's not a 14 by 70, it's a 14 by 66. And actually the 14 is on the inside of the home. No, the 14 is on the outside of the home. So really the inside, you're getting way less than that, like 13 feet. But I'm going to show you that. Box size and actual tongue size. Including the tongue, it is 70 feet. So buyer beware.